Hello, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am 1 minute early. I hope everyone is okay. Please type down below what you feel today. What do you feel on a Monday, no? Please type down below and thank you sa mga maaga. Let me just quickly greet some of them, no? Si Jomi, Neverland, Gabriel, Maan, Johanna, Galamax, Danny, okay, Dota TV, hello, Lori, Ash, yeah, John. Yeah, thank you for being early. Juan Charmaine Bestange. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Seth and good morning, good morning, good morning. Jomi and Reginald and yeah. So yeah, medyo sluggish daw si Reginald. Parang BTC. Okay guys, good morning and I hope you are feeling well today. I'm actually in Pasig. Medyo mainit today. I think someone said na nasa Baguio siya and sabi niya ang temperature daw sa Baguio today is 26 at medyo mainit sa umaga at umuulan sa hapon. 'Di ba? So, okay, guys, it's already 5 o'clock. Let's go on our daily deep dive of our news and information. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you again, everyone. We are already 8,730 subscribers in our YouTube page. Maraming salamat for your update, for your love and support. No, we are actually fastly growing. Kahapon we only have 7,800. Sorry, 8,000 ang nating kahapon. Now we're fastly approaching 9,000. So congratulations, everyone. Team Miranda Minor is really growing fast. Thank you for your love and support there. And speaking of our YouTube page, kahapon na-release natin ang ating video na ADA, Cardano, XRP, and Matic, and DOT or Polkadot. Why do you need to invest on them? Meaning 6 months, 1 year. It's going to be long-term investment, no? So why do you need to invest? Because they have a lot of technology enhancements that are actually happening. You probably would have noticed I don't have any BTC, video so far because I'm actually focusing on the alternative coin industry right now in my video. So get to know more of ADA, Cardano, XRP, Matic, and DOT. Why do we think that they're actually, coins that are investable long term, for this particular time of the year? Okay, and also let's look at our Twitter page. We will go back with this news later on, but so far we already have 100 plus followers. So thank you. If you also have Twitter handle, please follow your coach Miranda Minor. I already have a couple of followers there, and I'm actually posting every day, information about crypto, about news, and everything that I'm also posting in Facebook. If you don't have any Facebook groups, you could also follow me in Twitter. And I also have TikTok. So I already have 62 followers, guys. If you are in TikTok, please say hi to Coach Miranda Minor. Just drop him a note there. Drop me a note, and I'll be glad to also chat with you there. Just say hi and drop me an inbox, and please feel free to share to your friends. That actually this is dito ko share yung mga mobile recordings natin about the trades that we have done most recently. For example, yung quick win natin, and some of the live videos that I'm actually doing as a kind of trade over the phone. May mga phone trades tayo dyan, So, also, let's go on with our cryptocurrency headline as of today. Okay, so, going down to our top 10 coins, si Bitcoin down pa din, negative 22%. There's a lot of things going on. I'll walk you through later on what's happening with Bitcoin. No, one of that is kahit si Elon Musk, nagto-trolling na si Elon Musk most recently based on this particular screenshot that I've actually shown to you. No, he actually just replied to someone that's called Emperor BTC and Crypto Whale. No, he's actually doing that right now. Imagine the number two billionaire in the world. He's actually doing that, and um, he is being hated in the Twitter industry today by people who really love or yung mga fanatics ng Bitcoin right now, no? Yeah, so he's replying to Emperor and to Mr. Whale. Um, and he's for example, he actually retweeted, he is actually reposting this and he replied to this. Sabi ng isang nag-comment, si Jack Mahler, sabi niya, you sure love to lean into the brand that you're the smartest and richest guy in the room, no? So obviously Tesla yan. The community of Bitcoin doesn't owe you anything. We fight for what's best for the world and we protect what is arguably the greatest creation in human history. So Ang dami ng ano, I mean, he's getting his followers, but he's also getting his haters because of his tweets. Sabi nga na nabasa ko kanina, it's getting an irresponsible tweet from him, and every time he tweets, no, it's obviously it's impacting, no, it's impacting the performance of the coin. So bilang retailer, what I'd like you guys to do is obviously follow him as well as you follow me, and look at his tweets. No, look at his tweets, and anytime that he tweets something positive about the coin, I'm telling you that's going to further push up the performance of the coin. It's going to be a good catalyst. So just look into that as a potential, as a potential driver for any of the coins that you're following. Going back to the news, no. So Ethereum is actually also down negative 15%, and Binance go negative 20. I'm seeing a correlation trend here, guys. So if you've seen that, it's a downward trend. No, obviously, if you look into the coin itself, let's have an example real quick. No, let's open XRP USDT. Okay, some of you are probably gonna be thinking, "Oh, bakit bearish? Bakit bearish na yung coin?" You know, to be honest with you, it's still not yet bearish because if you look at the performance on a 1 month period, this coin, has actually improved from 0.58 to 1.46 in 1 month, in less than in one almost in a month, no? A month and a half, no? It's still bullish, right? There's just gonna be those times where you will see a minor dip in the performance, but does it tell you that the coin is bullish? I'll tell you the indicator that you need to use. No, you just need to use a Bollinger Band indicator, and then use a BB50 adjustment for you to understand if the coin is already bullish or bearish. Okay, let's do a 50 days. Sorry, not the volume. Let's go to 50 days here, and we'll do a 2. Ayan. So if it's still above the BB50 line, it's still a bullish trend, no? And if you look into some of the information, it's still bullish, right? The MA50 is still bullish, MA100 is still bullish, MA200 is still bullish. There's just gonna be times when you will see that the coin will dip, but do not be very myopic. Kumbaga sabi nga, huwag kayong maging nearsighted on the coin. You just need to zoom out on the graph and see itong performance ba ng coin, is it really already bullish? Is it really still bearish? So look at the BB50 as your potential driver. Kasi ang ginagawa ni BB50, mini-measure niya for the past 50 days, ano ba yung performance ng coin? And true enough, this coin actually has bounced again on a BB50 line, no? So that's one thing that you guys could actually apply and use when you're scanning for coins, no? Okay, Ethereum, and then Binance coin negative 20%. Um, good to do bargain hunting out. Sinasabi ko nga sa mga moderators ko kanina, this is a good time to do bargain hunting, right? And then Cardano is still on an all-time high performance at 21.38%. I think the peak ni Cardano is actually at around 2.4, no? A significant improvement. So as I've said yesterday, this coin is about to go down. Don't put any more coins. Kapag naka-parabolic high na siya, extremely parabolic, this will further go down a little bit, and then it will build its strong support, no? And then it would actually start going up again. It just needs to build its support, no? So look into that. Very, very bullish, right? Very, very bullish. And then from an RSI standpoint, look into 30 days. And RSI 30 days. Look into that. I think it will go down. Yep. Went go down already. And the weekly is actually super parabolic already. Weekly is already almost 80+% RSI. So that's why it's actually starting to go down. So, something for you guys to know as well, no? But, based on my charting earlier, kailangan lang bumuo ng malalim na support itong there needs to be a price correction, and then this one needs to do a support kasi imagine niyo isa siyang parang lumilipad na lobo. Kailangan niya ng tuntungan para makalipad siya ulit pataas, no? And if you see that a stock looks like this, it doesn't have any support yet. Let's actually do a 1 hour pattern. Okay, yan. Okay, yan. Okay. You will notice that meron siyang very strong support here, no? So ADA. So if you don't have any entry yet, Let's go with the horizontal line. Pasukan nyo siya at this level. Okay, this is a particular box. No? So yan, very good. Diyan siya nag-bounce sa 2.08 and 2.016. So it would further bounce again on this line if it tries to retest. You would notice that ang rule natin on retesting support kapag three or more times na siya nag-bounce. Tandaan niyo na, if it's three or more times na nag-bounce on that particular support, it's a strong support already. Right? Okay, so if this one bounces again, so ilan ba nag-bounce dito? This one. One. One line, diba? Nag-bounce yan dyan. Number two, this one. And then we have this one, another one, right? So this one needs to build a very strong support, okay, for this particular coin to further go up higher. Without a strong support, this coin could be going downward significantly. Mas mahirap yung ganun, sobrang volatile. Bibigla kang hihiwain, mawuwipso ka. Okay? Alright. Dogecoin Dogecoin is building a very strong support already, no? Actually, in the past couple of days, nag 0.46, 0.45, no? And then actually nag 0.39 pa yan. So good job sa mga naka-enter dyan, you know? And then right now it's actually building a very strong support at 0.5. So let's see, look at that chart, really beautiful chart. It's actually building a very strong support already here. If you would have noticed, let me just quickly go and scroll to the right. Okay, let me just quickly do this one. Okay, this one, no, it's actually building a support line here, no. So this is really good performance, you know, from a coin perspective. Kailangan niya mag-build ng strong support para it's gonna be more hindi siya ganun ka-volatile. Okay, of course, Tether is a stable coin. XRP down 9.01%, 1.45. There was a small hype, but we'll see. No, this is a long-term investment coin. That's what I've already mentioned. Let's look into the all. And look at long-term on this coin. No, so Polkadot number 8, sorry, and then so on and so forth. So that's the performance today of the top 10. Let's look into the performance of, or let's look at the other news, right? Okay. Okay, item number one for the news, as per CoinDesk, DAO or DAO raises 7 million to acquire a fractionalized NFT collection. Guys, NFT is becoming very, very hype already, no? I'm not sure if you've been hearing kung meron kang circle of friends. They're playing games and they're getting awarded NFT tokens, no? In fact, in one of the news in the Philippines, you know, you look at this news, actually this is just I think 5 hours ago. Yan. So there's a Kabanatuan gamer, and this gamer is actually earning cryptocurrency on a video game, no? Video game. I'm not sure if this is the gamer, pero this person is earning cryptocurrency on a video game. So as I've said, kasi ang NFT is not, or non-fungi token, it's actually being used to award people that are gamers, no? So this is in Cabanatuan. So if you're in Cabanatuan, shout out to all of you guys there up in the north, no? And then it's actually becoming a something that's hit in the Philippines, most especially gamers, because ang gamers kasi there's a different whole, you know, animal, so to speak, no? Gamers, mga ano yan, it's a whole industry altogether. I'm a gamer as well, no? I do play not just mobile games, but I also play LAN games, no? And before kasi I used to operate an internet cafe where I have a lot of players on Crossfire, League of Legends, etc., etc. So just something for you to know about Coach Miranda Miner. Okay, and then yeah, so a lot of people are embracing NFTs. Okay, even in the Philippines right now. So I think this is going to be the name of the game over the next couple of years, and they're actually raising a lot of money to acquire NFT collections, no? And whenever they acquire collections and they mint that particular collection within their own group, no? It becomes their own, and then kumbaga parang kina-copyright nila yung particular collection, and then once it's actually minted or copyrighted within their own collection, it becomes theirs, no? Especially yung mga if you look into Bakery Swap, marami silang mga tokens doon, and different types of tokens, right? So Solana, we've read this yesterday, so we'll go past through this already. Let's go with Coin Telegraph. Okay, so ADA, chance of a price crash increases as Cardano builds into a 1 billion market, no? So BTC, people are predicting it's going to do a price crash, but we'll see. We will plot that later on, no? We will do charting for BTC. Headline: BTC market dominance falls into a three-year low, right? And then Vitalik, who is actually a co-founder of Ethereum, burned 6.7 billion of Shiba to reward generous hodlers. If you are a Shiba hodler or a Shiba person, if you guys kung di nyo alam kung paano nag-earn on Shiba, I created a 30-minute video, sorry, 15-minute video on that for you to understand paano mag-earn on Shiba and good entry points in Shiba. And as what you guys have heard in my video there, um, there are three major biggest wallet holders of Shiba, no? One of them is obviously 50% Vitalik, no? And then, yan. So, sabi ni 3 hours ago, Elon Musk hints Tesla may offload BTC, goes to war with crypto Twitter. Yan, medyo may crypto mayroong Twitter drama na nangyayari. I'm not sure if you guys have been seeing that in Twitter, no? And let's see, and I'm sure the government is watching into this, no? IRS, SEC, etc. Because they don't want any tweets to be used as a manipulation on any of our cryptocurrencies or any of our stocks. So in this case, kasi medyo bagsak yung Tesla, Tesla stocks, no? And we'll see, no? And then let's look into our Bitcoin.com. As I've said, low ang performance ng Bitcoin today in the BTC market. Okay, in a day 5 pulse, it went down a little bit, 74.18, but still really going strong over the past 30 days. Our DeFi market is actually significantly growing, no? From an average of 60 billion, it's actually sitting at 674.18 billion already, an all-time high of almost 86, no? So really interesting over the past 30 days, really good performance. So we'll see. A lot of it is actually driving the Ethereum price, no? Pag nagda-drop kasi ang value ang DeFi, there's also a potential for the Ethereum price to also go down. Obviously because it's correlated to each other, no. A lot of the smart contracts are being run on the Ethereum network. So they're pinaparun sila doon sa Ethereum network using smart contracts, and a lot of the DeFis are actually hinged on on an Ethereum network. Okay? So let's look at the other headline. So coin market calendar real quick. Okay, so upcoming, we've read this yesterday, mainnet launch. Okay, and then we have our Hive and Bridge Mutual for Hive. DeFi Yield Protocol, Polka City. Itong Polka, ang dami niyang updates na mangyayari itong Polkadot, no? So we'll see, no? Something that's really interesting for Polka. In fact, if you look into the cryptocurrency, top 10, yung top 8 na Polkadot, although 1.55% down for the week, it's still, if you look into the performance over the past couple of weeks, sobrang lakas ng performance ng Polkadot. Okay? Okay, so let's go with the rest of the coins update. Okay, so let's go with the ones that are liquidation, no? Look into Ethereum. Medyo bagsak si Ethereum down to around $3,400. A lot of people are liquidated on Bybit. Let's go down into that. Okay, let's go with the liquidations currency. Wow. So look into the more charts. Ang dami. Although Binance good, very good ang Binance, no? Okay, so yesterday for Ethereum, ayan, so today, May 17, Binance liquidated 31 million. Okay, not much, no? Biggest a Bitfinex. Okay, for Ethereum, okay, not much. Please always make sure if you're playing futures, put up your stop losses, as Coach Miranda would always say. No? And then let's just try to look for one more. Aside from Ethereum, let's look for Dogecoin. Let's look for let's look for ADA. It's the top performer coin today. Good, not much of a drop, no. So let's look for Binance, just 3.98 million, obviously because the buyers are winning. No, buyers are winning. Just 7.38 million na if and this is a good opportunity for you guys. If you're a futures player, look into ADA as a potential coin to do your buy long because sobrang konti nang na naliliquidate. But of course, put your stop losses because ayaw mo mahiwa ng ganito, no, so to speak. So for example, in this particular day, Sunday, April 18, almost 177 million got liquidated in future. So always put your stop losses, and whenever you do buy long, look for a coin na merong hype, na merong buying pressure, no, and for sure you're gonna be winning. That's also one fundamental information that you need to know. Speaking of NFT, I look at the zone of I look at the zone today. Let me just open my screen further. Bilisan natin yan. Sorry guys. Taasan natin yung screen ko para makita ninyo, no? Okay. All right. Okay. Let me just quickly open the video. Okay. Okay, we have 167 viewers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for all being here. Okay, yeah. So we already have lifted our screen. Let me just adjust this real quick. Okay, yeah. So another information. So for zones, you just open zone and click on innovation. You will see all the token here on the innovation zone. So they also have their NFTs. Click NFT. Okay, they have their SLPs. You know, Alice is a very famous one in the NFT token. So Alice is performing at negative 5.37, but from a market capitalization standpoint, Chiz, Mana, ENJ, Access, Alice is actually here as well. So something for you guys to look at if you wanted to play on NFT tokens. And then I'd just like to share something interesting to you guys. Now, I'll look at my wallet and I'll just share with you something that you may want to look into. And I actually have a video na papalabas, no? I know I informed you, meron akong dalawang video na papalabas. One is our upcoming discussion on what are the gas fees that are in trading. So whenever you talk to me, sabi nyo, Coach, ano ba yung gas fee ng scalping? Hindi po yun ang term natin, no? When you say gas fees, I'll explain that in our video para malaman po ninyo. And ano yung other fees in trading, no? And then part 2, medyo mahaba tong video. It's gonna be almost 30 minutes. So tsagain ninyo yan because sobrang informative ng video na yan. Diniscuss natin dyan yung gas fees, paano tumataas yung gas fee, ano yung reason ba tumataas, no? And then go and look at the part 2 then, and then diniscuss ko naman dyan, how can you use my calculator, no? So I'll give you a sneak peek of my calculator para makita ninyo. Ay medyo hindi naman siya may pagka may pagka algebraic equation, no. Gusto lang ni coach medyo maggawa-gawa ng mathematics. So I enjoy doing this. Kaya ginawa natin for you guys. So liitan ko lang sandali para makita ninyo. Ayan. Yan, okay? Nakita niyo na ba? Habang ino-open ni coach, magparamdam naman kayo dyan sa chat. Say hi, hi, hi. Okay? Paramdam tayo sa chat. Okay, and tell everyone what do you feel right now. Parang siguro maganda yung ganun, no? Okay, yan. Yan ang ating calculator. So, ang ginagawa nito, kung makita ninyo siya, okay, ito yung page, no? I will explain how to use this further in our video. Hindi ko kayo isa-spoil, so I'll not discuss in detail. Pero, pwede kayong maglagay ng information na, kunwari mag-enter ako ng 1.45. Tapos ang target ko na, tingnan niyo mabuti itong stop loss price, lakihan natin para makita niyo. Yan. 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 Okay, lakihan natin. Ayan. So this calculator will help you, no? If you wanted to do a limit buy, limit sell order, kasi iba ang computation ng limit buy order, 0.04 yung charge. And then if you do our market order, market buy, market sell, 0.02, no? So, mabilis lang to. If you put, let's say, a 1.45 yung plano ninyo, tapos ang target profit mo, let's say, is 1%. Type mo dyan 1%. Tapos, mag-automatic, huwag nyo lang galawin yung mga blue line, dark blue lines or dark blue-black line. Tapos, yung blue lang na light blue gagalawin ninyo. Tapos, lagay mo lang yung capital. For example, $61 USDT. Put your leverage mo 5. Mag-auto-compute niya ng approximate profit mo in US dollars, no? And then it would auto-compute for you your potential stop loss, no? Kung ano yung kailangan mong stop loss. Ilagay mo lang yung stop loss target mo, no? If you want. And dito nilagay ko sa calculator, naka-automatic na ang stop loss target is one half ng take profit target mo, no? So naka-automatic na yan. Gagamitin mo na lang. May examples na ako dyan. Meron ako instructions dito. Yan, lalabas ko yan, no? Actually, lalabas pala today si Binance liquidity swap. Unahin ko muna yun. I will just release this tomorrow, no? And then you will also see here another summary of fees kung sa mga taga-US or other parts of the world, no? We have actually a good summary for you ng ating fees per per provider. So we have Binance US, Binance.com, ano yung maker and taker fees nila. Diyan na lahat yan. And if you're actually trading on spread, it's also gonna be here as well. Type mo lang yung spread and it will auto-compute for you the fees. No? For example, ang spread ng Bitcoin is 49,123. And then ang spread dito is let's say 5,000. Ang spread niya, bid offer spread. And mag-auto-compute niya ng fees per trade. No? Okay? So let's say 50,000 yan. Mag-auto-compute ng fees per spread yan. Yung mga other platform kasi na walang commission pero they have fees per spread, no? They're actually doing it per spread, no? They're actually not doing averaging. So something for you guys to look forward to. And if you're excited, please type down thank you down below para makita ninyo. Para makita ko naman kung if you're excited, no? If you're excited to receive, this is for free. Okay, you don't need to pay for this. I don't charge anything. Just look into my video at if you want other people to learn sa mga ganitong free tools, just share our page, share our videos, no, share our channel para marami pa tayong matulungan, okay? Okay, aside from that, meron tayong ginawang video, sabi ko nga liquidity swap, liquidity pool, antayin natin yan, lalabas yan today. You know, because actually, let me just quickly look at my profile para makita ninyo. I actually have 3 already. And it's very, very enjoyable. Of course, may risk pa din siya. Diniscuss ko yan doon sa ating video. Okay? It's enjoyable because actually I'm parking some funds, no? So for example, I have already a I have a locked flexible savings, okay? And it's actually earning. Nilalak ko lang, naka-auto subscribe tayo dyan, okay? Flexible yan. I just put it all there. I'm not gonna be getting it. And then I do have a DeFi staking. Okay, I have a DeFi staking. I have $50 there. Okay. And then of course I have let's look into my swap. I actually have a liquidity pool and I already have earned 0.079 USD in 2 days. Naka-park lang $20 USD dyan. And so iwanan lang natin siya dyan. It's gonna be long term there. I will not even get it. You know, we'll just check it every day. It's very, very enjoyable if you're actually, taking advantage sa iba-ibang types of products ni Binance. No? Something to look. And if you don't have any accounts yet, so in my page, go to the About channel or in my videos, you will see a referral link there. Just click on that and you could be able to take advantage on some discounts. No, if you use my referral ID, you could take advantage of mga discounts like 10% fee if you are a referral. No, so just take a look into that and just let me know if you have any questions. Okay, yeah, so something really, really interesting. No, so let's go quickly on questions from all of you guys before we do charting. Okay, let's go down. Okay. All right, let's answer some questions from you guys in our chat room. Let me just quickly go with our YouTube live Q&A screen so you guys could also see the questions. Okay, I'm sure you could probably see the questions already in my screen. Let me just quickly wait for that to pop up. Okay. Ayan. Okay, let's go and do this right now. Okay, questions. All right, Coach, may video ka ba on some other features ni Binance? Meron po. We have all different features. Punta ka lang sa ating YouTube and then go to my playlist. I actually have a Binance tutorial playlist here. I have 16 videos there. If you click on that, you'll be able to see all different types of let me try to open it right now. Okay. You will be able to see different types. For example, how to set up your tutorial in mobile, how to buy and sell, beginner's tutorial. We have how to use coins, how to use Binance as a beginner, flexible savings. Yan. So, liquidity swap. Okay, papalabas na yan. Okay. Tayin nyo yan. And then, how to use price action, patterns when trading Dodge. Okay. All right. So, a lot of that, no? All right. Okay, when doing Halmachi, are other indicators na maganda isabay sa Halmachi? It is already good by itself. Maganda na ang Halmachi by itself. if you're trying ito magandang tanong 'to, nilabas 'to kanina 'no, at sinagot ko 'to kanina sa Facebook groups natin. Kasi ang important na malaman ninyo, okay, turo ko sa inyo ha, important na malaman niyo 'to, eh. So for example, okay, let's remove all of this. Okay. This is ADA USDT, no? Okay? So ang kailangan yung gawin, if we go to the 3-minute nag-aano, for example, nag-aano tayo sa scalping, no? If we go 3 minutes level. Okay. Okay. Ang tatandaan ninyo, okay, for example, this one. All right? Let's look at this one. So you're doing a 3-minute scalping, no? Before kayo mag-scalp, what you need to do, so for example, we go with the before tayo mag-scalp, ang gawin ninyo, mag-plot muna kayo ng major support and resistance, no? Aangat muna kayo sa aangat kayo sa 1 hour, mag-plot kayo diyan. Okay, yan, 1 hour. Tapos ang major support and resistance ninyo, let's remove BB first. Okay, yan. Ang major support and resistance would be, gawa tayo ng mga channels, no? Yan, kunyari channel. Let's go with a parallel channel. Ayan. This one. Okay. So let's do this one, right? And then, okay. Hey, darling, I have a live here. Sorry about that, guys. Ang aking anak. I have a beautiful 3.5-year-old daughter. Ayan. She's very happy. She just finished her class kasi. Okay. Okay. All right. So, you need to plot this first, no? Kaya plot mo natin yan. Yan. When you plot this, okay, when you plot this already, you notice na this one is a support line. Okay? Support line yan, no? So, when you scalp, pag nag-scalp ka, let's now go with, baba natin si Halmachi, Scalp Master, yan. Baba na si Halmachi, okay. Okay. Naka 1 minute, diba? Naka 1 minute, yan. Naka 1 minute, yan. Okay. Lakihan natin to. Ayan, okay. So you will notice na, you will notice that it further went down. Pababa ng pababa. Diba? Went down, no? Pero CCI is still going up and down. Make sense? Right? So, lakihan pa natin to. Let's see if we could further bring this up. Ayan, okay. Tandaan nyo ha, kanina umakit tayo, nag-plot tayo ng support, no? And this is the major support yung may kulay, no? Okay. Ang rule natin, sabi natin, kapag ang particular Halmachi natin, nakita mo dito parang almost, ayan, okay? So yan, hindi naman siya nag-kiss dito, wait lang. Okay, yan. Okay, let's look for one more. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, no? So yan, no, 'di ba? Yan. This one, if you look into this, magandang CCI, negative 100, and then this one, Emma pataas kay Alma, pang 1, 2, 3, 4, tumaas din yung candle. It's a good indicator to scalp, no? Magandang opportunity yan. Pero kapag ang inyong candle is bumasag na ng major support, okay? Tatandaan niyo lagi na kapag nagsa-scalp kasi kayo, there's a tendency for this particular candle to further go down. Okay, wag kayong papakampante. Okay? So kailangan mapabilisan ka ng kamay, and majority of the time kapag nagsa-scalp kayo and it's actually below a major support line, look at that, pababa, 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 pababa. 'Di ba? May mga tendencies po yan. Si Halmachi, crossover. Yan, hindi siya humalik dyan, no? Sorry, let me try to look for close candle. Sorry about that. Ayan. Okay. Yan, so humalik si Halmachi dito, yellow. Tapos crossover negative. Tumaas pa din siya. Right? Pero you will notice it's actually further going down. Why? Because na-break niya yung major support line. Okay? So when you're planning your trades, when you're planning your Halmachi, make sure na tinitingnan nyo din yung mga ganitong klaseng trends, no? This is a very important trend. Before ka mababa sa 1 minute, pumunta ka muna sa 1 hour, doon ka gumawa ng iyong planning. Okay? Nakita nyo yung sample ko ha. So if you have the same question, for example, tinan mo yan. Diba? Look at that, no? Lakihan natin sandaling konti. Okay? Let's try to further increase this. Let's try to do this one. Ayan. Diba? Tanggalin mo si Alma dyan muna. Ayan, diba? Look at that. It further went down. Diba? Because binasag niya yung one of the support lines. So kailangan preferably is i-plot nyo yan doon kayo sa loob ng channel mag-scalp. Preferably, no? Kayang-kaya pa din, pabilisan lang talaga ng kamay yan, no? Pwede pa rin sa baba, pero mas ang risk kasi niyan is it could further go down, lalo na kung na-break na yung major resistance line. Okay, let us further deep dive into that. Tingnan pa natin to. Yan, kunyari, ang laki ng candle. Let's dive to 1 minute. Okay, let's just try to find that kung nasa na siya. Yan. Diba? Ayan, oh. Look. Tapos boom, major down, no? Boom, major down. Right? Boom. Diba? Covered, major down. Diba? That's how I hope you learned something today, ha? On how to make, obviously, screen and do a perfect halmachi. Scalping na mataas ang win rate. And totoo yung sinabi nung nag-chat kanina sa kahapon sa Facebook. Sabi niya, Coach, ang hirap naman maghanap ng ang hirap maghanap ng halmachi. And totoo po yun, no? It takes a learned eye, no? Para matuto kayo maghanap ng scalping opportunity. Pero, pag nahanap niyo yung perfect opportunity, guys, it's going to give you a lot of profits. Okay? A lot of profits yan. Okay? Let's go with the other questions. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, so kinorek natin yung Emma Close. Yeah, thank you, Book Bazaar. Jesse TV Logs. Hello, Coach. Hello. Kimoy Jacinto. Hi, Coach. Ask ko lang po, ba't walang CCI dun sa cheat sheet technique natin para sa scalper? Wala ba siya doon? CCI technique. Scalper. Meron po, nasa Halmachi po siya. Ayun po yung pangalan niya. So when you say Halmachi, that's already the Alma Emma CCI technique. Okay? Ayun po yung pangalan niya doon. Okay? Alright. I think you meant this one. Ito na po siya. Alma 20. Kumbaga, almost same na po yun. It already meant. When I say Alma 20, kasama na po niya yung iba doon for scalping. Okay? Pero we could update that kung para mag-guide po kayo. Okay? Parallel channel applicable kahit ano pong time frame. Yes, kahit anong time frame pwede ang parallel channel. For example, naka 1 minute ako, you will notice na I can do another parallel channel. You will look at parallel. Favorite ko yan eh. Parallel yan mo. Look at this. And done. Ayan. Nag-breakout, di ba? Tumuloy pataas. Pataas. Tapos another channel here. Ayan, breakout. Tumuloy-tuloy pababa. Ganun lang yung channel lagi. Okay? Okay, let me answer some questions. Let's start with above after the thank you, Coach. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Kung Cage, napakagrabe. Of course, para po sa inyo yung free calculator. Gamitin nyo na maayos, ha? Okay? Free yan sa inyo. Okay? Gamitin nyo na maayos yung calculator. Okay. Alright, nasa file, wala pa. I-upload natin yan tomorrow pagka-upload ng video para magamit nyo. Huwag nyo ibebenta ha, pag binenta nyo yan, kayo talaga. Okay? Siri, napaka-gen. Of course po, para matuto po kayo. Thank you for their nice words. And yes, we'd like to stay generous on giving information. Okay. Paano po mag-auto-subscribe? Okay. You can actually click that i-click nyo lang po yung inyong, teka lang, let me just get my charger sa MacBook. Teka lang, low bat na ako, wait lang. Okay, so how to auto-subscribe? Siguro I think what you meant is the DeFi kanina, no? So let's click into flexible savings. Okay, what you need to do is go to, if you are in your phone, click on the particular product. Okay, click on the particular product. When you click on that, it would show to you an auto-subscribe button. Okay, auto-subscribe button. Click nyo lang yon. I-drag to the right nyo lang and how to be able to, auto-subscribe for your flexible savings. No? Kasi bibigyan kayo ng option na ganyan eh. Na bibigyan kayo niya ng option na okay, do you want to auto-subscribe? Magde-daily auto-subscribe ka? Do you just wanted to do it that way? Blah, 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 blah. So, nasa sa'yo yan. Okay? And how do you want to be able to play with your funds, no? And then, yan. So, okay. So, for example, you want to have BUSD, pero aralin nyo din it's not necessary, hindi hindi risk-free. Hindi risk-free ang Binance staking. Actually, very risky nga siya. Okay? So, pero I gave a tip on my video kung paano niyo maiiwasan yung sobrang volatility ng coin, okay? Gian's Avenue, more on earn ako, coach. Okay, yeah, while studying the trading. Yes. Greetings there. Good evening there in New Zealand, Gian. Thanks for always being here. Coach, Kung Cage, pa-help po sa ETH. Naglagay ako ng shorting since the candle indicators are showing shorting signals in one day pero one day time frame pero na-burn ako kasi tumaas. Kailan po siya tumaas? Kapag kayo po is nagpa-plan sa one day, wag po kayong magbago ng strategy on the fourth hour. Pag one day po kayo nag-plot ng shorting ninyo, unang-una risky po yan because ang dapat ang shorting is not necessarily sobrang dapat layo. For example, you go on ADA, okay? Tapos you go on one day. Let's go one day. Let's go change this one. Okay, let's go on this one. Let's relaunch this. If you're shorting, when you're planning your shorting, pwede din yun, pero baba din kayo sa baba kayo sa shorter time frame, no? Okay, for example, yan, short kayo, one day to. Yan, let's go with ADA. Ang sarap namang i-short ng PSEI. Ayan, shorting for ADA, medyo delikado kasi very bullish. Ang laki ng green buying volume, oh. So very bullish siya, no? So if you short this, don't use a one day pattern because this is a bullish coin. Baba ka sa 4 hours. Tingnan mo kung may indication. I'm not even using an indicator, ha. Yan. Okay. Siguro ginamit mo itong bullish engulfing candle na to as an indicator, no? So pwede yan, pero kailangan mo magantay ng confirmatory candle pag nagbe-base ka lang sa candles, no? Confirmatory candles maganap, but this one is a green, so mas malamang tataas na yan pataas, di ba? Pag ganyan, if you're doing shorting, siguro iniisip mo ganito. So for example, nagwa one day ka, gawa tayo ng parallel channel. Let's do this one. Siguro ito yung ginawa mo. Yan. Siguro yun yung ginawa mo. Diba? Kasi it should go down already. But, okay, this particular candle, tinabunan ng bullish engulfing na candle. Okay? Nagkaroon ng red, bigger, bearish engulfing candle na pag sideways siya, heavy selling volume, and then nagkaroon ng green na naman. So, again mo dyan, pag medyo erratic siya, although nag-breakout na siya, bababa ka sa 1 hour. Ayan, bababa ka sa 1 hour. Yan. Tapos, di ba, bumaba na siya going up. Lalagyan mo siya ng indicator. So, kung lagay ka ng MACD. Okay, MACD. Yan. Okay. Okay. I don't recommend shorting on a day. Sobrang kailangan lawakan mo yan. Pag mag-shorting ka in one day, dapat ang leverage mo tatlo lang. Leverage of 3 para ang layo ng liquidation point mo. Okay? Let's try to do this in Binance itself. Let's do derivatives, USDS features. Okay, let's try to do this again here. Okay, 187 watchers. Thank you guys, everyone, wherever you are in the world. Maraming na hapon sa Indugabos, mga kababayan, Manoy Manay. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's go with ADA. Okay, you're doing shorting here. Ayan. Okay, let's go with... okay. Okay, labas tayo ng isang indicator, which is MACD. Okay, and then let's go with RSI. Let's do a... Makita ninyo. Okay. Okay, and then do this one. We will do a... Okay. So your MACD line is going to be your yellow. Okay, let's do with the yellow. Okay, yellow, yellow. Okay. So pag ganito, ang chart natin, lakihan ko lang sandali ito. Yan, okay. Okay, I hope you guys could still see my screen, no? Okay, nakikita nyo naman. Okay, if you're shorting, sabi mo sa one day, di ba? Sa one day. Medyo bullish yung candle eh. So, wag ka munang mag-shorting sa very bullish na one-day time frame. Baba ka sa 1 hour. In fact, pwede ka mag-buy long dito, no? Sa 1 hour, gagawin mo ganito. Kung gusto mong very risky to ha, you don't do shorting and buying long sa matataas na time frame, no? Kasi pwede kang ma-wipe out, no? So, for example, you wanted to do um, a buy or a shorting for ADA, no? So unang-una maghanap ka ng breakout tulad nito breakout. One, 'di ba? This one is the breakout. Okay, let's actually try to mark that. It's a breakout 'yan. Okay. And then indicators, are the indicators agreeing with you? Yes, bearish crossover dito. Nag-kiss pababa si MACD kay signal line, okay? Tapos galing sa mataas na RSI, pwede. Okay, galing siya sa mataas na RSI pababa, pwede pa rin. Okay. And then nagkaroon siya ng pagbasag sa this one, 'di ba? Nabasag na actually. That's a noise already. Yan. You can just do that this way. Yeah. Nabasag niya, 'di ba? Make sense, guys? Yan. 'Di ba? So tatlong indicators, one, actually for 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Apat na indicators, should I short? Yes, at this time, no? Look at that. Yan. No? Make sense, guys? And now, kung kunyari ngayon na yan, okay, ngayon na yan, okay, let's do this, no? Kunyari ngayon, pag ganito yung short mo sa 1 hour, baba tayo sa 15 minutes, pwede na ba ako mag-buy long, no? Ayan. So, ang bababa ka sa lower hour, tingnan natin. So, let's do this, no? Let's go parallel channel ulit. Okay. Okay, meron siyang paghiwa dyan. Malapit na siya mag-breakout, no? Okay. Ilang candle na lang. Bababa na yan. Okay. Look at MACD. Pahalik na pababa. 'Di ba? So, pag breakout ng channel 1, MACD crossing down 2, antay ka pa ng isa. RSI doesn't tell you anything. Okay? Punta ka sa RSI 15, that's gonna be good for, pwede mo rin gawing 14. That's fine. Or 30. Optional yan sa 30 ng 15 days. Ng 15 minutes. So, yan. 1, 2, 3. Ambang ka pa ng isang confirmatory candle. Pag nag-breakout na yan, okay, isa pa, tapos pag mag-kiss pababa to, doon ka na mag-short. Punta ka sa market, titira ka sa market ha, tapos click mo yung sell short, no? Market, pag click mo, kunyari, 10%, tapos ano ka lang, pag save ka, 5 ka muna. 5, yan, confirm. But of course, gamitin niyo yung calculator ko ha, pag nag-aano kayo ha. Huwag niyo gayahin si Coach Miranda kasi na-experience niya na too many times kaya mabilis siya mag-plan ng trades dito. Okay, so let's say market, no? Tapos maglagay tayo ng sell short, no? Kunyari for example dito, you wanted to do tingin mo magkaka 2.159. Tapos magte-take profit ka based on the calculator na tinuro ko, short position from here to let's do that. Let's do a kasi nag-breakout ka na, no? Yan dapat. Tapos yan. So, 1.06 babaan natin to konti. 1.54. And risk-reward ratio of okay, normally, let me just check. Okay, so pwede siyang mag-bounce dito. Hang on, guys. This one. Yeah, twice na siya nag-bounce. So, this could be a bouncing point. Okay, tapos pwede siyang mag-breakout ulit dito sa okay, guys. Hang on na. I'm planning for my trade for our trade. So, this could break out here. Okay, let me remove MACD for now. Makita ninyo. Okay. So, okay, so this one, okay. Natatamaan to dapat. This one be 2.0. Okay. Pag ganito, pwede nyo lagyan ng 2.20 stop loss. And then, lagyan nyo ng 2.112 take profit. Papasok ka sa 2.15. Diba? Pwede ka mag-limit ng 2.5 or 5 or pag-click ng 2.15, pasok ka. Program mo na to, tapos click sell short. Okay? Click sell short. Pero mag-antay ka pa ng confirmatory candle. Kailangan mabasag na yun. Okay? Medyo ano ha, if ang planning talagang kailangan tiyagain nyo guys ha, hindi tayo kailangan yung tulad ng ginagawa ni coach, so talagang titingnan mo talaga na okay, ano yung potential support baseline, ano yung resistance na dito. That's how we can really plan. No? Wag kayong bibigla-biglang papasok sa isang trade or isang chart, no. Yan. So breakout yan. I'm not scalping ha. I'm just breakout trade tayo ha. Okay? Tapos saka nyo lagyan ng halmatching. Yan. Okay? Pag ganun, kailangan mo ng confirmatory basag, no? Pag nagsa-scalping ka, you obviously use halmatching naman. Okay? I hope that was able to answer your question, ha? Okay. Thank you, Kung Cage. Alright. Ano masasabi ko kay Elon? Actually, yung isa sa mga kaibigan ko sabi niya, Elon na daw. Elon daw yung name niya. Elon from Elon. Okay. Okay, let's go with Bitcoin, okay? Okay. Mavs, na-answer ko na yung question mo ha, yung Halmachi other indicators. Let's go with Bitcoin for now. Let's go with Bitcoin. I promised to do Bitcoin earlier. Perpetual 45. Okay, let's do price action muna ha. Hindi mo tayo umorder. Okay. Let's do price action and then let's do a 1 day. Let me actually do it in BTC. Let me do it here. Price action muna tayo because we're charting our baselines. Here, 1 hour. It's very low, grabe. Let's go 1 day. Baba na ni BTC. Ayan o, nag-retest na siya sa... Okay. So, this should... horizontal line. This is strong resistance support here. This one should be a good bouncing point. 1, 2. Wait, this is actually testing this right now, no? Kasi nabasag yung if you've noticed guys, nabasag niya yung leg niya no? You notice dito. Why? Because meron siyang pagbuo ng head and shoulders dito. So, look into this. Ito yung shoulders niya. Ito yung head niya. Ito yung isang shoulders. Okay, pagkabasag ng... Sorry. Wait again. Pagkabasag ng pagkabasag ng major neck na to, tuloy-tuloy siya pababa Pero we'll see. Medyo may strong support dito. Kung binasag niya yan, this could further go down. Kapag bumasag siya ng... Actually, meron ng buntot Pero we'll see. It will further... We need to see the candle breaking out, not just the tail, okay? So pag nabasag na yan, tumuloy-tuloy yung candle, nag-end yung candle lower than this line, this could further go down to 44, 43 levels, no? Pag umakyat tayo sa younger intervals, ayan may pagka na siya may pagka lumaban na siya no sa major line na yan. Maganda yan kung napasukan niyo to, mag-bounce siya no, sa 45, 4400. And then we'll see kung papasok siya sa 48, tutuloy yan pataas, no? We'll see. And I hope it answers your question just based on price charting. I'm not gonna be using indicators just on that, okay? Okay. Last, siguro mga 3 more questions. Okay. Okay, so, okay, ako po yung nag-liquidate, ako po yung nag-post sa GC Ask ko lang coach, if nag-crossover na si MACD, pero sa chart, um, crossover na si MACD, pero sa chart di pa nag-crossover ang EMA and ALMA. Hindi pa din. Nope. You should not. Wait for all the signs to align. Dapat po. Okay? Okay. All right. Thank you, Kung Cage. Thank you for the support. I hope na linawan ka sa tanong natin. Head and Shoulders, yes. Binasag niya kaninang 11 daw, 42,000. Wow, ayan, basag na. Pero nag-bounce siya dun eh, no? May pag-bounce siya dun eh. If you look at the tail, may pagka 42, 43 eh, no? But we're looking at the candle right now. Dun siya magbabounce on a one-day setting, no? One day for long term. So we'll see kung mababasag tuloy-tuloy pababa yung candle na yan. Hanggang saan bababa yan? Aabot kaya ng 150k? Ano po yun? 150k. Advisable pa bang hatiin ang maliit na capital? Depende kung kung 1,000 siguro mga rule of three, no, don't put everything in one basket, 'di ba? Siguro mga 50% trading, 20% for staking or investing, no, or and then 30% for futures, no. It's up to you, right? Buti raw nag-tweet si Elon. Yung mga ganyan tweet niya, pampa-destroy ng BTC, no? So, pwede ka rin mag-short, no? Eh, na magandang i-short. Wag mo i-short si ADA po. Mag-short po tayo kay BTC. Ang ganda ng pababa po siya if you look into the performance, no? Okay. Ayan, pag nabasag niya yung neckline, yan, nabasag niya yung neckline niya, baba kayo sa lower interval, then plot your mini support and resistance, then short, no? Okay. Let's just answer Q&A right now. Wag po munang charting kasi at least we could answer many more questions. Okay, daming learning. Thank you, Eduardo. I hope you learned something today. Take down notes lang kayo, no? And then sabayan nyo ng videos natin, no? Para maalalayan kayo ng ating live, no? Para hindi rin kayo nawawala, okay? Hanggang sang mababa ang ETH? Abot ba ng 150k? 150k? Okay, we will do that. Siguro we're down to 4 minutes, no? Pero based on this, yan, major ano to? Major support. We'll see. Pag binasag niya pa yan, tutuloy-tuloy yan pababa. Pero it doesn't look like. Kasi in one day, 3,100 pataas. Baba tayo ng 4 hours. Actually, yung pagka head and shoulders din to. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, nabasag niya yung neck niya dito. Yung pagka ganun siya. Or pagka double top. Yan. Babasag eh. So, tumuloy-tuloy siya pababa. 3,600, no? Okay. Okay. Kenneth, we're done with the Bitcoin. I hope you learned something there. Evelyn, sobrang thank you po sa learnings. Ano po ang leverage? Ang leverage po is, kung ang pera nyo po, okay, tandaan nyo to guys ha, very, very good question to, no? Kasi may mga tatanong, Coach, ano pong budget ninyo para ma-reach nyo yung $45 na win? No? Ano pong budget nyo dyan? Tatandaan po ninyo, kunyari ang pera po ninyo is $10 lang. Okay? Kapag ginamit nyo ang leverage na, let's say, 10, okay, magiging ang power ng pera ninyo will be $10 times 10. It's gonna be $100. At doon niya kukunin yung charges, no? Pero pwede kayong lumaki. That's why you're leveraging your money, no? Kung medyo sobrang gusto niyo talagang manalo, $10 lang pero gusto niyo manalo ng 40%, which is $4, no? Syempre hindi niyo kailangan mo ng 40%, 'di ba? Na kailangan mo ng kung gusto mong manalo ng $4, pero $10 lang yung pera mo, kailangan yung panalo mo, yung profit mo 40%. Pero kung gusto mong mag-leverage, gusto mo makakuha ng $4, itaya mo yung $10 mo, mag 10x leverage ka. Kasi magiging $100 siya, right? And then $4 is just 4% ng $100. Yun po yung power ng leverage. Okay? Talahitok watching from Kuwait. Hello po dyan. I hope everyone is okay. Okay, I hope everyone is okay. And guys, I have actually a lot of questions in my Facebook page and in Discord. No, I will find time later on after this to answer your questions there. And then okay, we have another one pa naman tomorrow, another live charting. So just go on and watch out for our live tomorrow that you could answer. So I could answer some of your questions. 190 all-time high watchers and audience. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. No. Habol na lang sa mga hindi po or watch this video after 4 hours. This video will be released by YouTube. No, so just follow na lang kung if you wanted to do a replay. Yung mga replay team natin dyan, you're welcome, welcome, no? And yan, I think, guys, as I always say, Coach Miranda Miner loves all of you. Pasensya na po if some of you, nakita ko na both you're not reading my message. Pasensya na po at baka natabunan lang po sa taas. But I'm not really selecting message kung ano lang po yung makita ko sa baba. And yun, kung if you really feel po na you have a question that I need to answer, please kulitin nyo ako sa messenger and I will look into your message and I hope you understand po na medyo marami na po talagang messages and I'm trying my best to answer a lot of them po. Okay? So guys, greetings to all of you wherever you are in the world. Ingat po kayo if it's gabi there, sleep night. Then good morning sa States. Makape-kape muna dyan sa ating kaibigan sa Maryland. Si Moderator Judex, right? And everyone also in Italy. And guys, wherever you are, Coach Miranda loves all of you. And I hope you learned something on this live today. So with that said, thank you everyone. And I love you. Bye.